Welcome to Malete, Kwara State University, guys. I came back to my school to collect my original certificate. This is Malete for you guys. That there is my hostel, the one with the yellow zinc. And this is Vicky in front of us, and this is me. So guys, the most scary thing now is I'm having to color on my hair. They should not chase me back to the hostel. Pray for me, Badura for me. I found my way. Only by me. Thank you. Guys, meet Vicky. Vicky, say hi. Say hi now, Abba. Kilo day. Kilo shell. See where I put my own. See where I put them. You won't hang your phone. So guys, this is the entrance to their market. I beg you, look at look at it before I cross it. Entrance to their market, guys. We're heading to Tama. That is their park to take you to Ilori or anywhere you want to go to in this life.
At this point, my power bank was very, very low and my phone too was low. So I was like, Vicky, let's go charge our phone and power bank. So I wanted to drop my phone, but I was still doing some recording. So I decided to drop my power bank instead. So this is us dropping it. Guys, we got to Tarmac, and this place is called Tarmac. So we're going to look for any shuttle that will take us to ICT department, because there's a shuttle for every department. So over there, that is the shuttle we're going to take that will take us to ICT department.
See color, sister, they allow you to enter with this color here. Yeah, why? They will not allow. They will allow you. Yeah. Hey! Hey guys, you'll see everybody else.
At this point, we're still waiting for the shuttle to be filled up so we can move to ICT, because the shuttle needs to be filled up before we can move. So we're waiting, and you can see the bus is still empty, the shuttle is still empty, and see other shuttles over there still coming to get students. At this time, we're only 3 in the bus. Finally, the shuttle got filled up and we take off from Tarmac down to ICT. So this is us. We are still going. And me, I'm always disturbing Vicky. This girl, she will not be angry with me. Finally, guys, we got to ICT faculty that consists of both mass communication, library information science, and computer. And over there is the biggest library in Nigeria. Guys, this is my school.
I beg. Guys, Vicky is scared. The heart is beating that we have not collected our certificate. But give her hope. We're going to see the certificate.
Now you just supposed to give hope.
Am I supposed to hold anything?
Family and friends.
Highway!
Wow.
Jesus.
Nobody on there.
Not your little now.
We gathered in.
You've collected.
No, they say we have to come back by 2 o'clock. I've submitted my statement.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Esther!
How are you?
Esther!
What's your name? You're looking big now. Vicky. I wanted to finish it that time. You're looking big. How's service now?
My family are done now.
Yes, so I'm done. Where she say she collect am?
So this is us on our way to the faculty officer's office where we are supposed to collect our certificate. So we got there and we were asked to submit our statement of result first because they gave us statement of result before, so we were asked to submit it before we can proceed. So this is Vicky dropping our statement of results to the home, and she asked us to come back by 2 o'clock, and by this time it was like 10 or so, but she asked us to come by 2 o'clock.
Be back by 2. Before you finish, guys, let me show you my class. That's so fine. Vicky, why they run now? Who is you? I'm small now. But then they know they allow person enter. Guys, see my LR8. I'm always at LR8. Oh, see the new Escozo. Away. The new Escos. Wow. Guys, it's so good to come back home. Oh, wow. Right. Yes. So that class again. This is how we used to write our exam. This book. What? Hey. Wow. I am. What's that one? What is it now? They still write exam now.
Point, we're done with the faculty officer, so now we are headed to the library, guys. That is our library. I think is it the biggest, no, largest or biggest library in Africa? Yes, Kwara State University is the biggest library in Africa. Yeah, you can google it if I'm wrong. You can google it and drop the answer on the comment section. Guys, this library is beautiful now.
Just they say hi. See, I'm sorry I involved.
Point, we were still contemplating on where to take nice pictures. This is the library annex, very big, guys. That is the library, the main library there. I think it's named after President Muhammadu. Yeah, President Muhammad library. Yeah, very beautiful, guys. So I just checked and they said the Kwara State Library is the biggest library in Africa, guys. Stop playing now. So this is us. We are looking for another location to take more pictures. So on getting to this location, we found so many students outside. This was actually their period of exam, and I think 100 and 200 level, yeah, they were actually writing exams. But I wasn't expecting anybody to be in this particular place now, because where we actually do our ICT, like our computer-based exam, is at the admin area, not this library. I later found out that the library is now used for the computer-based exam. Like, it's not the main place, but I think the other place they were using in the admin area was filled up, so they moved most of the students down to this library area to come and do their exams. So me and Vicky were still looking for a good place to take pictures. That building over there is called the Senate building, guys. Very big. Kwasue. Hi. They like to build everywhere. Hi. So guys, this is the admin. We got to the admin, and over there is where the mass theater art students have their courses. Most of the time they take their rehearsals in that place. They'll be singing, dancing, clapping, any other thing. Well, it's always interesting watching them. So we still move forward. We're going to the admin. We got into the admin actually, but we're still heading down to the other computer base that is close to the admin. Vicky was like she want to meet with one of her auntie, that we should go there together. And I was bored. I can't stay alone, so I was like, okay.
They don't. I don't know this this place. They don't build this something for you. Hey, all their 270,000. So where did they put that?
We got to the computer based center. There is the computer based center where we do most of our exams using the computer in this particular hall. So she already called her auntie, and her auntie said she should come close, that we should come look for a place to sit, that she's coming out to meet us, because there were still students there having their own exams and they were not done. So she's one of the invigilating the exams that are carried out inside. So we sat down. Guys, all this place, all this building, Kwasu like to build. Kwasu cannot do without building new stuffs. It is well. So now, I look for a place to sit. I was already tired, hungry, guys. What did I even eat in the morning, sef? This one I'm still looking smart like this. Very soon you see that my eyes have dropped. So we looked for a place to sit. I was even begging Vicky if I can sit where she was sitting, but she was like, there's no place to sit though. The girl don't suffer from my hand. I'm always disturbing her. So guys, this is the admin. We entered inside the admin because Vicky was like, she wants to know, like, get inquiry on how to go about her transcript, because people are already getting transcript, and she wants her transcript too, because she'll be going for her master's soon. So I was like, okay. We went upstairs. I think we went to the first floor. There we were able to ask some students, and nobody knows the place, so we're still going, and I was still like, okay, let's see if we can ask few people that can help us. And I think this is the office. I don't know. Okay, yeah, we're still moving forward and looking for the office. So we cited the last office there, and we went there, and unfortunately the place was locked. So finally we met with Vicky's auntie. So she was taking us to her office so we can discuss about the transcripts better. And again, we also reported the case of our certificate for the long time that they gave us. So she was like, we should come, that she's just going to call someone that will come and give it to us in her office. So this is us following her to our office, guys. That is it though. So guys, we went into the office and she offered us cold water. That was a refresh moment. Oh my god, very refreshing. So while we were still waiting for our certificate to be ready, we decided to take a tour in the Senate building. Guys, just look at the building. Very beautiful. Everything is sparkling, like clean, new. God, I actually missed all these things. So assuming I was here, God no, the security man was actually asking us what are we looking for. So I just changed it and I told him that we are looking for where we can do our transcript, and he was like, no, go back to the admin. That is where you can do your transcript. I was like, okay. So we just used our style and left the place before they'll start asking us questions again. So guys, this Senate building is very, very beautiful and very big, guys. Stop playing, Kwasu. Kwasu with fashion. More. Are the best though. I love them. They have sense, fashion sense. Like 100%. So immediately we stepped out from the Senate building, we were called to come collect our certificate that it was ready. So guys, we ran down to the place to collect our certificate. I wanted to do some recording of how we collected it, but there was no space. People were too much and I couldn't record anything. That's why there's no video for it. So not too long, I saw my friends. Guys, that is Rhoda, that is BC, my long time school friends. So I was very happy. Like to see them again after 1 year. When we saw each other, we were so happy to meet each other. We hugged each other. So finally, guys, we're done now, and I was tired. So we're going back home. So I'll go and eat and prepare for my journey the next day back to Abuja. So this is us leaving Kwara State University, Malete. Guys, I was happy.
So guys, this is me going back after a long walk. Thank God there's lights in the next hostel. Let me go and charge. How's the hostel day? Yeah. So thank you all for spending your day with me, for going through the stress with me. The way I'm looking so far. Thank you guys.